Thanks for watching the late
show.
So late.
It's actually in the morning.
Cut. Good job. Woo!
Thanks, camera guy.
Guys, are you so excited to do our Halloween special?
Yeah.
No.
Where are we going?
Oh, actually, Viewmont High School invited us to do our show there, so we're going to the best school in the state.
Yay. Since it's Halloween, are we dressing up as ourselves or like something else?
You can't dress up as a dumb blonde. It'd be a little too skimpy for high school.
So we should probably dress up as something that we're actually not.
Like you could be an astronaut or an assassin.
You should be a giraffe.
No, I shouldn't.
Here, because we're supposed to be opposites of what we are. So giraffes aren't redheads. They aren't snarky.
How do you know what
They
giraffe
aren't.
is snarky?
They have long necks and they have spots and they're pretty.
Do you want to be here for
Let's not talk about this anymore. What do you think I should dress up as for the special?
Let's see, nerd. You're smart. You're pretty. You're nice. You should go as her. Why is she leaving?
Maybe you need to be a little bit nicer to Mira.
What do you mean? I'm not trying to be rude. I mean, she doesn't have a soul or anything, so what's the point of
Oh my goodness! Okay. Now that we've got that figured out, I'll see you next week, okay? I need to have some alone time. We're gonna die!
Go faster, come on!
No!
Speed bump, hit it, yeah! Whoa! It's okay, park yours!
Oh, we forgot our stuff. Hey, Matt, can you get for us?
Yeah, can you get my stuff too?
You guys have too much stuff.
What are you even doing?
They're soft.
Wands.
What do you even dress as?
I'm a gangster.
I thought we were supposed to dress up as something we weren't.
I'm not gonna waste my money on a costume that I'm only gonna wear once.
I have a perfect thing.
Please be careful, Mira, please don't go girly. She only has good intentions. Mira, you need to come out.
I'm not coming out.
The show kind of like starts in like 5 minutes.
I look stupid.
Come on. You have to come out. The show's starting.
Fine.
Carly, slow down. I think we're lost.
This is stupid. I'm a giraffe.
Carly,
Do you even know where you're going?
No.
why did we follow Carly?
Let's just go in the first door that we find.
We're definitely lost.
It's because we're following Carly.
Yeah, good point.
Found the door! It's locked.
Maybe because it's a custodial closet. Maybe try that one.
Okay.
This is it. Wait, before we go in, don't forget to smile.
Okay. 3, 2, what's after 2?
Just open it.
Okay.